The length of a rectangular plot is 20 meters more than its breadth. If the cost of fencing the plot at the rate of 26.5 per meter is 5300, what is the length of the plot in meters? So this is the rectangular plot here. This is the length, this is the breadth. The question is telling me the length of a rectangular plot is 20 meters more than its breadth. So length of the rectangular plot is 20 meters more than its breadth. Alright. If the cost of fencing the plot at the rate of 26.5 per meter is 5300, what is the length of the plot? Now fencing is always done on the sides of the plot, right? This is the fencing that is to be done. So how will we know how much fencing is to be done? In order to calculate that, we calculate the perimeter of the plot here. So perimeter here is, now what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all the sides of the quadrilateral. So perimeter here will be 2b. There are two breadths and two lengths, so 2b plus 2l. So 2l plus 2b. Now we know that L is equals to b plus 20. So let's substitute it here. So we get 2b plus 20 plus 2b. So we get 2b plus 40 plus 2b. So we have perimeter as 4b plus 40. Alright. Now we are given that total cost is 5300. Total cost of fencing here is 5300. So total cost is 5300 and the cost and the rate of fencing is 23.5 per meter. So rate is 26.5. Now 26.5 is the cost of fencing 1 meter, and how many meters are to be fenced? 4b plus 40 meters is to be fenced. So we multiply 26.5 by this 4b plus 40 is equals to 5300. This is the total cost of fencing, and cost of fencing is 5300. Now we have an equation. After solving this, we'll get the value of b here. So let's do that. We can simplify this with 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are okay. So we can simply simplify it with 53. 53 0.5s are 26.5 and 53 1s are 0 0. So we have 4b plus 40 is equals to 100 divided by this 0.5. To remove this decimal point, we add 0 in the numerator. So we get 5 2s are 10, 0 0. So we have 4b, and this 40 will go on the left hand, go on the right hand side and get subtracted here. So we get 200 minus 40 as 160. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, 0. B is equals to 40. And this is our, okay, no, this is not our required answer, because we are asked what is the length of the plot. So length of the plot is b plus 20. So let's substitute the value of b here. So b is 40, 40 plus 20, 40 plus 20 is 60, and this is our required answer. So length of the plot is 60 meters. So here option E, none of this is the correct one, and the correct answer is 60 meters.